Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the new year and to my first video of 2025. You know, I've had a wonky start to the year. Our family since about Christmas time had the flu. I got pneumonia. The kids got the stomach bug. And then I think both kids got mono. I know, before you tell me that's not possible, our pediatrician said 90% of people get mono before the age of 5. And then the 10% that don't get it are the ones that get it in high school and college. It's the kissing disease. That's not what this video is about. Anyway, it has been a crazy start to the year, and what I desperately need is a sense of refresh. We took all of our Christmas decorations down, and as everyone knows, when you do that, it feels like someone robbed your house and your house is just bare as bare can be. So today I am going to take you guys with me. We're gonna go to a couple different stores and we are going to refresh our master bedroom because I've been spending a lot of time in there with everyone being sick. And we're gonna add some accessories, some pops of color, and do something really fabulous in bringing life back to our bedroom. Thank you so much to Leesa Mattress for sponsoring today's video. More on that later. But now let's go right into Target. That's where we're starting this morning. And let's see what they have for spring. Okay, this is not for a bedroom. That is one beautiful kettle. Can I just say, I love that. I love these lamps. I don't really have any need for them, but I love the shade. That is classic. I love these candles. Always good to get a good neutral pillar candle. They've got lots right now. Okay, these are so cute. For a little girl's room. I know I'm shopping for my house. I'm just saying, if you have a little girl and you're decorating her room, you need to come get these. Okay, I actually love this particular bowl because I always need a catch-all bowl in our bedroom. So I feel like I should get this. Ooh, this is also cute in that category, like for Tyler to put change in, or like where I could put my earrings and stuff. I love that it's this stone texture. Okay, I think I found a lamp I need. Look at this shade. That is gorgeous. I love the base, and I only need one if I put it on the credenza. And I only have one. I think it's meant to be. You're coming home with me, sweetheart. She's a beaut. My bathroom's attached to the bedroom, so it's basically like the bedroom, you know. And I need a new rug, and this is springy and fun. All right, so I'm trying to figure out what new bedding I want. And, you know, in this house, we've been very masculine. Like, I feel like I wanted to embrace Tyler's style. But this spring, I think I'm over that. And I think I want pink. But here, we can tone it down a little bit by this orangey tan pillow. It won't be all pink, but it will be pink. Okay, I finished at Target, and I have to say, I wasn't like all that impressed. I was kind of late to the spring haul in the sense that I think they put spring out a long time ago, so they were kind of picked over. I really didn't see many throw pillows because, you know, I need new throw pillows. Don't tell Tyler. But I did get a rug, and I got a lamp. I might go by another Target in a little bit, but I just pulled up to a HomeGoods. And I need some art for over the bed, and maybe a few more vases and some greenery. Oh, let's do it. Okay, I kind of like this. That is obviously very pink. Might be too pink. This is a little, you can't tell, but it's pinky. It's not white, but it's very muted. I think it's a good shape, and I like the texture. Now there's also this one if we want to lean into more of the orangey color, like those pillows. You always gotta check HomeGoods, make sure there's no scratches. Like that. Get the one that doesn't have scratching. That one looks good. Guys, have I just outgrown HomeGoods? They had like nothing. They had like 2 pots, and that was it. So I'm not really sure what happened there. Maybe it was just a bad one to go to. Everything felt so out of date. Nothing was new. It was all like same that they always have. And nothing was like in current style. So I didn't get much there. But now I'm at home. We're gonna go in there and see if I can find some art and some pillows. Usually they're really good at both. Wish me luck. The other key when you're shopping for accessories is to take pictures of what you're trying to match. But I have photos of what I took, and then I can line them up and see what looks best. That way I don't overbuy too much. I'm an overbuy, but you know, not too much. Okay, this has the right colors and some of those warmer tones too to kind of bring it down, like in here. So this is a great option. So I made a really big rookie mistake. Did not take my measurements before I came here. So I'm really gonna be risking it because I don't know if this art print is going to work. It might be too tall. There we go. Tyler won't mind that, right? Super masculine. Love it. Okay, At Home did it for us. We have our beautiful art piece, our pillows. I even got Scout a new bed. Now it's time to go home. I have exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes before I have to pick the babies up. They're not babies anymore, but I still call them babies from their little Mother's Day out. So let's see if we can get home and put some of this stuff up in its rightful place and see if we like it before I have to stop and go get them. Ready, set, go. Okay, I just got home, and before we jump into the fun decorating part, let's hear a word from today's sponsor. Okay, so for today's sponsor of this lovely bedroom refresh video, we're gonna talk about Leesa mattress. Leesa mattress is not only convenient, but their mattresses are unparalleled when it comes to comfort and also mattress ingenuity. They have state-of-the-art design and they are Green Guard Gold certified, which if you don't know what that means, it means that they promise to have low emissions materials. So the mattress that Leesa Mattresses sent me is called the Reserve Hybrid Mattress. I love it because it's not just a foam mattress and it's not just a spring mattress, it's both, spring and foam. So when I got the mattress, we obviously opened it up, the bottom part, which is the spring part. And then what comes with it after that is the memory foam topper. And that's when you unzip the top, slide that in, allow it to kind of puff up. You give it an hour and it will rise to a normal position, but you give it 24 hours and it's fully fluffed and puffed and ready to go. But you can sleep on it after an hour. If you like a really soft, squishy mattress, you can customize that and you can select a mattress topper that's really soft and squishy. If you like more of a firm mattress, you can select a mattress topper that has memory foam that is a lot more firm. I love that you can customize it. You can make it exactly what you need. And when you really get into the technicalities of how this mattress is made, not only does it have several, like 7 different layers of the memory foam, it has 1,032 individually wrapped springs in this mattress. And as they say, you spend over 1/3 of your life on your mattress. So you wanna make sure the mattress that you do pick, that you're picking to restore every single night, restore your body, restore your mind, is one that you're really going to get not only great deep sleep, but also supportive sleep. Sometimes for me, if I'm in too soft of a mattress, I wake up with a backache. This mattress hugs you in every single place that you need. Now I selected the medium firmness because Tyler doesn't like too soft of a bed, and this definitely gives initial like really good support, but as you lay into it, your body just kind of is like hugged in all the right places and it's so comfortable. So the memory foam that they use is called a high density foam, and that's what cradles your hips, cradles your lumbar. It allows for, you're not bouncing all over the place, you really are just like held in that spot, and it allows for the pressure points, relief for those pressure points in your back and your hips. And not only is it functional, not only is it practical, not only is it good for you, but it is so beautiful, which to me really matters. I love the leather hand straps. I love that detail. I love that it kind of has like a houndstooth pattern to it. Sorry, I'm looking at it. It's just a beautifully designed, like the neutrals, the warm leather tones. It's just a cozy mattress. And from a design perspective, I think it's beautiful. Something I also love about Leesa, which not all mattress companies have to do, but I love that they do this. They've donated over 41,000 mattresses to their nonprofits that go to people in need. So I think that that's just awesome. A mattress is something everyone needs, no matter who you are, where you are, whatever. Like, we all need good sleep. And so I love that they have a give back component to their business. I would highly recommend the Reserve Hybrid mattress, but if that does not seem like a good fit to you, you guys can visit leesa.com and peruse all of their different mattresses. They have a lot of different options to choose from. If you use my code Sharrah, you'll get $75 off your order plus 2 free pillows. So you will get a 100-night sleep trial. So if you don't like it, you can send it back. And the mattress is warranted for 10 years, which is awesome. Thank you so much to Leesa for sponsoring. Now let's get back into the fun decorating portion of this video, and let's see how we're gonna spice up this boring, messy, those are still Christmas decorations right there. I need to swap those out for something better. Let's go get something cute. You ready? Okay, so right now we're just gonna lay out colors so we can see if everything goes together. So I'm gonna open up the duvet cover right there, lay it on top of the white, put some of our pillows up, and then we'll clear off the credenza. Okay? Okay. Whew, that's pink. I love putting a big rug in here because it's a wide space. And it's better than having like a little rug here, a little rug there, a little rug there. Just one big rug. Scout, can you not pee on this one? Scout, can you not pee on this rug? There's a good girl. Yeah, okay, can you sit down? Can you sit? I want you to say, I will not pee on the rug. I will not pee on the rug. You promise? I like it, Scout, what do you think? You think Daddy's gonna hate it? Because it's so girly? We gotta be represented somehow in this house, you know? Okay, I'm liking what I see. I wish I would have gotten 2 of those. I don't really like that pillow as much. I don't know, I kind of think 2 dark ones and maybe this one or that one. And then I really like these bowls. So this one, I'll have to put some greens in these. It's gonna be cute. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you again to Leesa Mattresses for sponsoring today's video. Hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed. I am so excited about the way this room looks and how it turned out. It feels very springy and bright and happy in here, and that was the goal. I will link everything that I could find online at these stores for you guys if you're interested in finding them. Let me know if you guys liked this style of video. Now, stay on the lookout for next week's video or the next video I post, because it has to do with our Tulsa house and what we're doing next this year. Building a house. What? Did I just say building a house? I don't know. You're gonna have to watch the next video. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.